Hi, good afternoon, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to the new episode of Social Science. I hope all are fine and take care. Today, I would like to take a class regarding the second chapter of sociology. Okay, that is socialization. Okay, the second chapter is socialization. In first chapter of sociology, we already studied the family, the chapter family, and we know that family is the basic unit of society. Okay, and we already studied different types of family, importance of family. Okay, and definition of family, everything we learned in the first chapter. Okay, now let us come to the second chapter, that is socialization. Okay, so what does it what do you mean by socialization? Okay, socialization is nothing but it is the process of learning social behavior. Process of learning social behavior is known as what? Socialization. Okay, uh, in different social situation we are behaving in different ways. Suppose when we are going to a marriage function, we will be uh, going in a pleasure mode. Okay, we will be taking baths, we will wear good dress, the best dress among the uh, dresses we will be selecting, and we will be wearing the most the best dress among what we have. Okay, and we will be going there, and we will join with the party or the ceremony or program. Okay, so there we are sharing many things, we are building the friendship, we are building the relationship. Okay, many things are happening when a social function or program or any ceremonies are happening like marriage. Okay, on the other side, let us go take another example. For example, in our nearby our home or somewhere else in our relatives, someone died. So we will go there, and we will show a kind of condolences to the family. Okay, and we will be part of them, and we will console them. Okay, being a social animal, being a social living being, it is our duty to uh, join with the pain of others. Okay, the same situation may come to our family also. Okay, so it is a giving and taking process. Socialization is a giving and taking process. Okay, what we are giving to others, that only we will be getting in return. Okay, so when we are going to a death place, we will not wear the best dress, and our mood will also will be in depressed mood, we are not in happy mood. Okay, and in a marriage function, in a suppose, when we go to marriage program, we will be happy, we will be singing song, we may dance. Okay, sometimes DJ programs may be there. Whereas when we go to a death place, people will be crying there. If anyone laugh in that place, it is totally inappropriate, or we can say it is irrelevant. Okay, so such a person will be considered as a mental person. Okay, or something he is missing, he don't know how to behave in a society. So all this, what we should do and what we should not do in certain situation in our society is molded by our society. Okay, that process is known as socialization, making a human being a better human being, nurturing all the good qualities. Okay, and that person should know what is good and what is wrong, values and moral values and immoral things. Okay, what to do and what should not be to be done. Okay, all these things should be learned by a person, maybe male or female. Okay, so it is starting from the birth itself. Immediately after the birth, The child is getting all the care from his mother and father, mainly by mother. Okay, affection, total care, everything. Whenever a small baby cries, he is getting attention from his mother. Okay, and later he is learning many things, that whatever the family is running by the help of father. Father works outside very hard and brings money or bread. Okay, whatever may be, and because of father, the family is sustaining. Later he is knowing the importance of father. Okay, in the family he can see his grandfather, grandmother, brothers, sisters, cousins, etc. So from there onwards, he or she is learning how to behave to elders, how to behave to youngers, how we should behave to the elders, grandfathers, grandparents, mothers. Okay, and later he is coming outside to the society, nearby the family, nearby the their residence, that is neighboring people will be there. So along with them also he or she is playing. So through that we are giving something and we are taking, we are sharing something. Okay, so sharing is very very important in society. Through sharing only socialization take place. For socialization we want language. In order to communicate, we want certain language. Okay, and you might have seen some people, those who are deaf and dumb, they can't talk, and they will communicate with their gestures. Okay, so for better socialization, language is enough for them. Also some coded language is there. Okay, they are applying those code languages for communication. Okay, so language is very important. And in this chapter we are studying what is the meaning of socialization. I already told that socialization is a natural social process to learn more about how to cope up with the society. Okay, the process of learning social behavior is known as what? Socialization. Okay, and we will learn what are the functions of socializations. It has some aims are there. Okay, some objectives are there, and agencies. Some agencies like first one is family. Okay, some social institutions are known as the agencies, making us better socialized. Okay, that they are family, the basic unit of the society, that is family. Okay, the peer group. Okay, those who have the same age group, they are known as peers. Okay, so in 10 now you are in 9th class. Okay, so 9th class students, almost they will come at the age of 14 or 15. Okay, so through that we can say 9th class is a peer group. Okay, so peer group, they have their own vision, their own ideas, dreams. Okay, and their mood is also different from the adult people. Okay, adolescent age is different from adulthood and old age. Okay, they are very curious and energetic people. The third one is religion. Okay, in the family itself, through many social norms and the rules and whatever things we are learning in the society, and religion also has a prominent role in our society. Okay, then fourth one, after later he is admitted in the school, he is getting admission in school, he or she, and he or she is getting contact with many different people, different students, different peer groups, different people, teachers, many people. Okay, on the way from his home to school, he is meeting many different types of people, shopkeepers, market vegetable vendors, many vendors we can see on the roadsides. Okay, so it is a process of socialization, different types of people, common people, official people. Okay, so from school onwards we are getting contact with official life. Okay, how we should behave in the society. Okay, in home sometimes we may be called as with our pet names, sometimes Muttu or Raju, like that. Pet names may be called by our family members. Whereas when we go to school, from the school in attendance, their teacher may call our names. Sometimes that name may be entirely different from the name which is calling from our family. Okay, sometimes Muttu or Raju or like there are many names, pet names we can see. When we go to the school, sometimes the school attendance in the register we can see the name is different. Maybe Abhilash, Mohan, okay, Mallikarjun, or Ibrahim or Abraham, okay, different names. So from through these names we can identify a person belongs to which religion or which caste. By seeing the surname also we can identify from which caste or which religion that person is belongs to. Okay, so it is school is a foundation for official life. Okay, official attaining official information. Okay, and the fifth one is mass media, newspapers, radio, television, many other journals, story books. Okay, whatever may be, mass media is also changing our attitude, our life, our aptitude, everything. Okay, so you know the advertisement in the television and radio also influencing us. And the sixth one is neighborhood, our neighbors. And moreover we have many other clubs are sports, arts and sports clubs. Okay, many political parties, these are also affecting us. Okay, so this is a basic introduction about the chapter socialization, and please read the chapter. In coming episodes we shall explain more about this chapter socialization. Okay, till then take care, have a nice day, thank you.